So let's go ahead and write our first lines of code in .NET. We're going to open the Northwind project and we're going to add a new folder and we'll call it training. And in that folder we're going to say add new item and we're going to choose a class and we're going to call that class hello world. Perfect. Now this code is unnecessary, it is grayed out, so let's remove it. Later we'll explain its function. And we'll add here public void run. This is called a method. We're going to explain all the details in a few seconds, but let's first of all write something that runs. So we're going to say within that method mbox tab, and we're going to say here hello world. Perfect. So we have our very own first class. Now let's go ahead and call it from a menu. So we're going to open the views namespace. We're going to go to the application MDI. And we're going to add a menu entry called training. And in it we're going to add another entry, call it hello world. And when we double click on it, we'll call our hello world class. So how do we do that? We're going to say the namespace training dot the class name. We're going to say new because we want to create a new instance of that class and we'll run it. We're going to build, run, and see that it works. Perfect. So this is our hello world example in .NET. We created the class over here. We called the message box show and we called it in a menu when clicking the hello world entry. Notice how Visual Studio generated most of this code for us. We didn't really have to write that much, and that's a good thing because I have a lot of spelling mistakes and I could never write this accurately.